Hi, this is Bob Kress. I'm the owner of Truck Crane Solutions. You're looking at a Freightliner M2 106. It's a 2015. The red arrow is pointing out the hydraulic outriggers, dual hydraulic outriggers. The operator is going to work the upper mechanism. This is a Terex 5TC-55 High Ranger. They call it a non-over-center material handling. It's a 60-foot aerial device, commonly referred to as a bucket truck. Truck Crane Solutions is located just outside of Fort Wayne, Indiana, in the town of Bluffton. This bucket truck has a clean Carfax report. It's a one owner for 11 years. It only has about 90,000 actual miles on it. There's no accidents, no damage ever reported, no airbag deployment, no indication of any odometer rollback, no odometer branding like flood or anything like that. It's clean. The truck is equipped with a Cummins ISB 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It's rated at 250 horsepower. The truck has a 13,220 pound front axle. It has a 21,000 pound rear axle with 23,000 pound springs. It's equipped with a heavy duty Allison 3500 RDS fully automatic transmission, air brakes. Now we're going to do a walk around of the truck. Tires and all are in excellent shape. Has all the attachments that came with the truck. The rear deck is in good shape. Has a big pintle hitch on the back with trailer air and electric.
You want to open some of the doors on the side here?
The body is clean and nice. It's not rusty. Look inside here. Got a few scratches, but very nice condition. Same way with this one. You can see inside there's no rust in the bottom. Shelves are all good. Same way with this compartment. Has the outrigger pads in it. Has a tray. Matter of fact, a couple of trays. A little dirt, but very good condition. No rust. Steps going up are clean and nice. The floor is nice in the body. This compartment also has some outrigger pads hanging in it. A few little scratches, but it's in good shape. It's not rusty. It's got all the strobe lighting. You have controls for the boom there and upper controls. Going to take a look up the boom. Of course, it's insulated. Everything works great on the truck. You can see the jib on the right hand side of the screen there with a winch. We'll come back to that in a minute. Now let's take a look at the back of the cab. You'll see the original spot welds. They're called pinch welds from the factory. That's where they always rust. This one does not have any rust at all. That's original paint. It's clean and nice. The engine is dry. There's no drips. No excessive blow-by. See the tires are in great shape. Chrome bumper's nice. Fiberglass hood is all in good condition. No damage or cracks on it. You're going to see the firewall. Back in there is where they rust. This one is not rusty. It's clean and nice. You can see it has a clean idle sticker, DOT inspection. The door jambs are clean and nice. It's got the original sticker from the factory there. All the recalls are done. No outstanding recalls. In the back window there, you saw the inspection for the back end, the Terex unit. The dash is in good shape. There's a Dakota body. Kind of an overall shot of the truck. You'll like this truck. It's in nice condition. It's clean. It's not rusty. Ready to go to work. We're going to take a look at the jib here. There's the winch that goes up and down there. The end of the jib. The winch works fine. The jib goes in and out.
Yeah,
It
that
articulates. If you have any interest in this truck or have any questions, please give me a call on my cell phone, 260-433-2792.
works. Okay.
Please check out our website. Remember, not everything always gets listed. I've got 40 years of experience buying and selling trucks, so I'm sure I can find the truck you need. Thanks for watching this video for our 2015 Freightliner Terex High Ranger bucket truck. This is Bob Kress, owner of Truck Crane Solutions. Remember, I'm always here to help.